Let's be honest. Nothing turns heads like a pair of thick, powerful biceps stretching out the sleeves of your shirt. But here's the truth. Most people waste time doing dozens of random curls, chasing the pump with zero result. If you want real arm growth, you don't need 10 exercises. You need the right ones. In this video, I'll show you the only 3 biceps exercises that actually build size, shape, and thickness. These moves target every part of your biceps: the short head for width, the long head for that peak, and the brachialis to make your arms look even bigger from every angle. Whether you're lifting at home or in the gym, these exercises will help you carve out the kind of arms that fill out your sleeves and turn heads without flexing. So grab your dumbbells or your barbell, and let's grow some real biceps, fast and smart. Number 1. Barbell Curl. The king of biceps exercises when it comes to building raw size and strength. It targets both the short and long heads of the biceps, making it one of the most effective mass builders for your arms. By allowing you to lift heavier weights than dumbbells, it creates serious overload, a key factor in muscle growth. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, grip the barbell with palms facing up, and keep your elbows tucked to your sides. Curl the bar up smoothly, squeezing your biceps at the top, then lower it slowly to maximize time under tension. Avoid swinging your body or using momentum. Focus on strict form for the best results. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 reps using a challenging weight. Master this move, and you'll start to notice your arms thickening, your sleeves tightening, and your confidence climbing with every rep. Number 2. Incline Dumbbell Curl. A game changer when it comes to building taller, more defined biceps. What makes this move so powerful is the stretch it places on the long head of your biceps, the part responsible for that impressive peak when you flex. To perform it right, set an adjustable bench to a 45-degree incline. Sit back with your chest up and shoulders pressed against the bench. Let your arms hang fully extended at your sides with palms facing forward. Now, curl the dumbbells slowly without moving your upper arms or swinging. As you lift, focus on squeezing your biceps hard at the top, then lower the weight in a controlled motion, feeling the stretch at the bottom. That constant tension and deep range of motion is what triggers growth. Don't rush this. Take your time and control every rep. Perform 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. When done consistently, incline curls will carve out serious peaks that demand attention. No flexing needed. Number 3. Hammer curls. The secret weapon for building thick, powerful arms that look massive from every angle. Unlike traditional curls, hammer curls target the brachialis, a deep muscle that sits beneath your biceps. When this muscle grows, it pushes your biceps up and out, making your arms look wider and more muscular. It also hits the forearms hard, giving you that complete, rugged look. To perform it, grab a pair of dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other. Keep your elbows close to your body and curl the weights up in a smooth, controlled motion. Squeeze at the top, then lower the dumbbells slowly to maintain tension. Avoid using momentum. This is about form, not just weight. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Done right, hammer curls will add serious width and depth to your arms, helping you fill out your shirt sleeves and build that bold, athletic look you've been chasing. If you're just starting your bicep building journey, don't overcomplicate things. The key is to focus on good form, controlled movement, and consistency. Many beginners make the mistake of using weights that are too heavy. This leads to swinging and poor technique, which takes the tension off the muscles and increases the risk of injury. Start with a weight you can lift with perfect form for 10 to 12 reps. Make sure you're using a full range of motion. Lower the weight all the way down and curl it all the way up without rushing. Time under tension matters more than speed or ego lifting. Quality always beats quantity. Training your biceps 2 times a week is a good start. Give your muscles time to recover between sessions, because that's when growth happens. You don't need to do a dozen different curls. Stick with the 3 foundational movements: barbell curls, incline dumbbell curls, and hammer curls. Mastering these will take you further than hopping between random exercises. Nutrition and rest are just as important as training. Make sure you're eating enough protein and getting enough sleep. Your muscles won't grow if they don't have the fuel and time to recover. Finally, be patient. Building noticeable biceps takes time. Take progress photos every few weeks to stay motivated and track your development. Stay consistent, train smart, and your results will come. Stick with the basics, trust the process, and soon your arms will start to fill out your shirt sleeves with confidence. By the way, friends, see you soon for more interesting facts about human health.